Sabinard Studio. First Valentine 1. Take thick paper 18. Draw a frame leaving 1 centimeter at the edge. Inside we draw an oval as shown in the video. Inside we draw opposite arrows. Add a lot of hearts. Take a light shade and paint from the edge. Take a rich color to color the arrows. Removing the pencil mark. Now we paint our hearts red. I'm already starting to like it. Use a black marker to outline the edges. Let's complete the details. Use a thinner marker. Finishing touches. Add a quote you like. Second Valentine 2. Take thick paper 18. Put together. Pre-prepared template. Apply to the center. Draw a heart from one side. Draw the same way on the other side. Make sure the sides touch each other. Use scissors to cut out the shape. Draw an outline with a bright color. Let's turn the other way. Completely painted in a light color. This will be the inside. Sketching stickers. Any one you like. Paint in your favorite colors. Add a quote. Let's do the cover. Take pink gouache. Paint your fingers. Rub with your hands and put to stamps like this, as shown in the video. Let dry. Now take a thin gel pen and make strokes in the main places. Valentine's card is ready. Leave your opinion in the comments. Third Valentine 3. Take thick paper 18. Prepare your favorite colors of markers and pens. Draw as shown in the video. This will be the speedometer. Add hearts instead of numbers. Up and down. Write your favorite quote. Let's start painting hearts. Draw lines. Erase extra lines. Complete the rest of the details. Subscribe and like. Here's a Valentine. How do you like the results? I hope you like the easy Valentine options. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone!